In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use text alignment and text transformations using Essential Graphics property. First, I'm going to select my text. So you can see here I have two sequences. The first one I was created this text, and second I was created this paragraph. Now you can able to see both sequences on this timeline. Right now it was in this paragraph, and you to have this is text. So I click here the text. I can able to load the particular sequence here. Now I'm going to use this first. I just select this text and I delete that. I don't want that. And this vertical text also. So I have only these two. I have the word, the water, and the fire. We have only these two, and we do have those text content in a separate layer. You can see that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my this fire text, and I'm going to paste on the same layer, which is water. So I was just selected, I was press Ctrl X to cut, and I was selected that fire and I was pasted there. Now if I choose this graphics, you can able to see this is an empty layer only. So I can able to select and delete that. We got both the text in the same layer, which is this fire. Now I can able to expand as I required. I was expanding that into 16 seconds. You can see the duration. And now after that I choose the very first one, which is the water. And after choosing that, I come to this my essential graphics. As we have used this align and transform for shapes, we can also align with the help of this align and transform for text. Now I choose the very first text, and I choose this option align vertical center. So in this vertical alignment at the top to bottom, I can able to align the text at the center. In the same way, I'm going to move that here. In that same way, I choose the same text, and I'm going to choose this horizontal center. So when I choose that horizontal as well as vertical, I can able to exactly place at this text into the center place of this particular sequence. Now in the same way I can able to align at the top if I want, and middle and bottom. So based on the need, you are going to choose where you need. And also I can able to align at the left or center or right based on your requirement. I can also use both align vertically and align horizontally into center. So these are the things based on your need you are going to choose. I was selected only one text. If I select multiple content, you can see I was selecting both these two text. Now I'm going to choose this option, which is align top. You can see I can able to align only those two text within the area. I was not targeting that main canvas area, which is the work area. So I can able to align within this area only. I'm not going to talk about the entire appearance. So this is how we are using these align options in this Adobe Premiere Pro. Now how I want is I'm going to place it here, and I'm going to place that the water at the top of this fire. So after placing this, I come to this area. We know how to use this. With the help of this I can able to align the text in the x-axis how I was required, and I can also adjust in y-axis how I required. So these are the two options we have here. And after that I have the scale. So if I want to do the uniform scale, I can use this option. And also I can able to disable the uniform scale. I can able to do the horizontal as well as vertical scale using this option. I do have rotate option to rotate the text. I can set the value with the keyboard also, and also I have the alpha, which is opacity value for the same layer. So these are the basic align and transform options we have for the text in Adobe Premiere Pro. I do have all those options for this second text also. I can able to add the opacity. I can able to do all those alignment scaling for this particular text also. So this is how we are using this align and transform options for text in Adobe Premiere Pro.